This is a method how you cut chess pieces out of wood on the bandsaw. My name is Pieter Delpoort. This is video number 3 of 4 videos that explain in detail how to go about it. In the previous video, we saw how the front view was cut with the bandsaw. The 2 pieces on the side were cut off in such a manner so that they can be reattached to where they came from. We need the side view with the drawing so that we can see where we are cutting, and the opposite side to keep the block parallel. We do not need these sides anymore, and therefore we cut everything away, which will result in the final chess piece. In video 4, I will show how the side view of the king is cut out. I will now assemble these parts together with sellotape in order to bandsaw the block from which the king will appear. Hold the 3 parts together for the lines to match up, the top line and the bottom line. It is easier to hold the pieces against a straight edge and use a clamp to hold them firmly together while the sellotape is stuck on so that the pieces do not fall apart. Make sure the sellotape sticks firmly. Turn the block around and attach the sellotape on the opposite side, making sure the pieces are against each other. Do the same on the other end of the block. Finally, tape the pieces in the middle of the block to make sure the 3 pieces do not move while you bandsaw. The block is now ready for final cutting. Remember, we do not need the material on the sides anymore. Thank you for watching this video. See you in video number 4. Also, like my video.